When I grow up, I want to be a lawyer.
When I grow up, I want to be a doctor.
When I grow up, I want to be a businessman.
Every child has a dream. Learning English helps children achieve their dreams and connect with the world. We are Cambridge Assessment English, part of the University of Cambridge. We help millions of people learn English and prove their skills to the world. Cambridge English Qualifications are backed by extensive research into how children develop language skills. Our in-depth exams make learning English enjoyable, effective and rewarding. They help your child stand out from the crowd and access the best study, work and life opportunities. Each qualification helps your child improve their real-life language and communication in all 4 language skills: reading, writing, listening and speaking. The exams give students the confidence they need to communicate in an English-speaking environment. Our step-by-step journey motivates children from a young age right through to their teenage years and beyond. From small steps to conquering the world, your child's goals and ambitions are within reach. Cambridge English Qualifications are a mark of excellence, accepted and trusted by thousands of universities and employers around the world. With the right support, learning a language is an exciting journey. And that's why we're here for every learner, every step of the way.